We are all set to prepare the planting areas in our garden bed, which will give us strong, healthy plants and nutrients for months to come. First thing, we need to clear the bed of all those nasty weeds. In the video, you will see a very stubborn type of grass called Bermuda grass. This is really the worst type of grass you can have in your garden. It spreads so fast, grows back quickly, and sends roots so deep into the soil. It is truly a nightmare for gardeners, especially when it competes with your vegetables for water, food, and space. So, what we will do is pull out as much of the Bermuda grass as we can, and we'll try to remove the roots as well. If we don't remove the roots, this grass will keep coming back again and again. Once the bed is cleared of weeds, the next step is to dig the holes where we are going to plant our veggies. Don't make small holes, make them nice and big. The bigger the hole, the more organic material and nutrients we can put into it, which will give our plants the food they need to grow healthy. Digging big holes also allows more space for the roots to spread out. When the holes are ready, we will fill them about halfway with kitchen waste. Kitchen waste works really well in the garden, but remember, it should be only plant-based stuff. Things like vegetable peels, fruit scraps, coffee grounds, and crushed eggshells are perfect. Avoid cooked food, meat, or dairy, as they don't break down well and can attract pests. The reason we add this kitchen waste to the hole is that it will decompose over time, turning into compost. Compost is full of important nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which plants need for growth. It also contains micronutrients that help plants grow strong and healthy. When we add kitchen waste to the holes, it will slowly break down and release these nutrients to the plant roots, feeding them over many months. After placing the kitchen waste in the hole, we cover it up with the same soil we dug out. This helps keep the waste buried and stops any bad smells. It also keeps pests and flies away. The soil will also help the kitchen waste break down more quickly, creating a good balance of air and moisture for the waste to decompose properly. As it breaks down, the kitchen waste will make the soil better, improving its structure. The soil will become more loose and crumbly, allowing water to drain properly while still holding enough moisture for the plants. Next, we fill the hole with worm castings. This is one of the best things you can add to your garden. Worm castings are rich in nutrients, beneficial microbes, and enzymes. These microbes help the plants absorb nutrients faster, so they grow healthy and strong. Worm castings also improve the soil structure, making it more aerated and better at holding moisture. They encourage strong root growth and help protect the plants from diseases because they boost the plant's natural defenses. They also release nutrients slowly over time, which means your plants will get a steady supply of food for weeks and months, rather than a quick burst that wears off. Once the hole is filled with worm castings, it's time to water. Give each hole a good amount of water. This helps the soil settle down and starts the process of breaking down the kitchen waste and worm castings. Watering also ensures that the roots of the plants can access the nutrients and moisture they need to grow. Now, after all this preparation, your planting areas are ready to use. You can plant your vegetables right away in the holes you've prepared. The plant roots will grow deep into the rich soil, full of composted kitchen waste, worm castings, and other nutrients. This method of preparing the soil makes sure that you won't need to rely on chemical fertilizers later on. It keeps the soil alive and healthy, which is important for the long-term health of your plants. The plants will grow strong, green, and healthy, producing more flowers and vegetables over time. You can also feel good knowing that you are recycling your kitchen waste instead of throwing it away. This is a great way to reduce waste and turn it into something useful for your garden. If you want to learn more gardening tips like this, check out more videos on our channel. We have lots of ideas about fertilizers, sprays, and ways to improve your garden. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like the video to support the channel.